My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Today is a yoga for athletes flow. Great for everybody, definitely more advanced, but this flow is guaranteed to improve your athletic performance on every level. No weights, no machines, only your beautiful body weight. Increase speed, strength, control, and balance. Let us begin. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Make sure you checked in below. That's right, check in below. All right, shake it out. We're gonna start downward facing dog. Modify as needed. Spread the fingers wide. Let's come to downward facing dog. Sink those heels towards the ground. They may not touch the ground, that's fine. We're stretching the backs of the legs. And let's walk the legs 10 times. 1, 2, 3. Very concentrated flow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, one-legged vinyasa flow. Right leg up. We're gonna press forward to plank. Use control, balance, squeezing the core on the exhales. Press forward, shoulders in front of the wrist, lower down. Slowly in the hover, build strength in the arms, shoulders, and core, and then feet down, lift into cobra. Elbows into the sides. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, press up to plank and back to downward facing dog. Take the left leg up, forward. So it's a one-legged vinyasa flow. Cobra or upward facing dog. Squeeze the glutes, stretch out the spine, lower down, up to plank, down dog. Now, right leg up, we're gonna add a little three-legged dog to this. You'll see in a moment. So come down. Activating every muscle. Open the chest. Now press back, left leg up, and press into the palm so we really stretch that left leg and sink the right heel down. 2 more breaths. Open up the spine and the back. Now, vinyasa flow. Work your way up. Practice this routine. Right leg up, press. You can take the hands a little closer. Ooh, feel that? Stretching, opening the hip, opening the back. Now one-legged flow. Let's speed that up a little bit. Left leg up, press back. And flow. Good. How did I get off the mat? One more time. Right leg up, press back. Big stretch, opening up the muscles forward, controlled. And downward facing dog. Sink those heels down. And I have a hard time reading my notes. Left foot forward, lunge. All right. Airplane lunge. First, stagger the feet, press the right heel down, arms out. Palms down, sink into the legs. Stay here or hinge forward. The add-on is a little twist. We're gonna touch, right hand down, inhale center, exhale other side. Open up, get some good rotational power in here. Rotational flexibility. And lift. One more time each side. Keep the lunge strong. Nice twist. All right, vinyasa flow. Step back, kick the leg if you like. A lot of power and flexibility. Right foot forward, lunge. Balance. Let the eyes focus, arms out. Where's the sun? So hinge, hold, or 6 times tap. And lift. More challenging, don't put any weight on the hand. Oh, there we go. Letting your core and your legs keep you lifted. How does that feel? Ooh, should be shaking a little bit. Now, vinyasa flow. Oh, and downward facing dog. Walking the legs. Okay, left foot forward. Warrior position. Pivot that back foot in, and a double reverse warrior. Lace the fingers, index finger and thumb out, reach up and back. as you sink down into the legs. There we go. Up and back. Keep the left hip open so we're not caving in. 2 more breaths, stretching all the way down the left side. Okay, now forearm to the thigh, side angle pose. Oh, the wind. Huge stretch right here. 3 breaths. You can smell that new deodorant. It's lovely. All right, bring it back to downward facing dog. Let's switch sides. Right foot forward, warrior, and then double reverse. Three more breaths. Good. Deep stretching, really opening up the body, some adjustments perhaps, and then out. Side angle. 5 breaths. Great. Keep that left shoulder back. Working the legs, the upper body, the balance, the breath. In the nose, out the nose. Oh, so good. Dolphin pose. Bring the forearms down to the mat. It's down dog, but with the forearms down. Drop the knees to modify. Now relax up here. I want you to press this direction. It might feel really, really tight. That's good. It means we struck gold. You got to find those spots that need improvement. Hold here, or 10 alternating leg lifts. Inhale up, exhale down without. Messing up that dolphin. We get some flexibility in the back, in the glutes. A lot of balance. And of course, stretching the back. 3 more. Is my counting okay? I don't even know. And once more, and press up to down dog. And let me introduce you to the scorpion vinyasa flow. Am I properly tucked? So we're in downward facing dog, stretching out the back, sinking the heels towards the floor. Take your right leg up. Inhale forward. Now, press forward. We're going to lower down. Bring that leg back behind you. And look at this. The arms slip out. Then we have the all-powerful scorpion twist. 2 breaths. Take the foot as far back as you comfortably can, opening up the hips, the groin, the psoas. All right. That's the right leg. Cobra or up dog. And what's that cloud doing here? All right, left leg up, forward. Now as you come down and hover, open. Open, open, open. And then, ta-da. 2 breaths. A lot of rotation. Loosening up the back, building the obliques. Increasing rotational flexibility and force. Let's do that once more on each side. I'm gonna go left leg this time. Shake it up. You can do the opposite. A little further than last time. Practice, practice, practice. Keep it posted below you. Oh, adjustment. That was left leg, so right leg. Next. Smooth it out, smooth it out. Down. Whatever you do on this mat, you will do in your chosen sport or sports on every level. This is just a glimpse too. So much more. All right, downward facing dog. Bring the feet forward. Tree pose. I think we'll finish off here with a balance pose. You let me know if you want more workouts just like this. There's so much more we can do. Open up your left hip, hands together. Heel can also be below the knee, above the knee, or ankle on the thigh. Relax the shoulders. As you exhale, take your belly button. It's called stomach vacuuming. You're gonna pull that belly button into the spine. That's your rectus abdominis right there, pulling it in, decreasing the space between your belly button and the spine. Of course, don't crush the internal organs. Now stay here, or a little active movement here. Keep your eyes focused. Challenge that balance. Inhale up, exhale, cactus arms. 3 more times. Soften that standing knee and open. This is a nice little variation you can do anywhere, anytime. I do variations of this when I'm brushing and flossing my teeth. Highly recommended. Because you have the counter there in case you got to place your hands down. One more time. Pull. Okay, hands together, switch sides, keeping that focus. Balance is earned. You don't get balance, you gotta earn it. Best things in life, work towards it, be consistent. Every darn day. And here's the option, 4 times. You wanna fill those lungs with the breath till the lungs are almost bursting with all that goodness, all that oxygen. One more time. And open. Brilliant. Bring it back to down dog. Let's do 4 more flows. One-legged flows. I'll start with the left leg. Forward, down, and back. Right leg. How you feeling? Better? It's definitely a very unique feeling if you've never done power yoga before, these yoga flows. The whole body works together. It's like swimming. And then back to down dog. We'll finish with a long down dog. Take the hands forward. 5 breaths. Relax the shoulders, tuck the chin. Getting a lot of length and expansion in your back and spine. Oh, there we are, releasing into it. Our cup runneth over. What'd you think of that workout, my friends? Please leave your feedback below. Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.